Question B3 is the correlation coefficient for the 8-day period is minus 0.95. On the 9th day, the number of service calls was 8 and the minimum overnight temperature was 3 degrees. If the 9th day is included, what effect will this have on the correlation coefficient? So correlation coefficient was negative 0.95 is a pretty strong negative kind of relationship, and this is expected as when the temperature goes down, we expect the number of calls to increase. This is the natural trend that we saw even within the previous question. We had about 10 degrees and we had about 4 or 5 calls, but in this case we have 3 degrees and they're telling us they have 8 calls. So since this is not a direct relationship, we can still model it by using the same descriptive words. So we could say this relationship means that the correlation will increase slightly, because here we see that we lower the degree, or we lower the temperature, and the service calls that we get are 8. But what do we expect them to be? So if we calculate using S is equals to minus 1.8 multiplied by the temperature, which is 3, plus 22.7, we get an answer of 17.3, which means this is the amount of calls that we would expect for a temperature of 3 degrees, but we are getting something that is slightly less, actually that is significantly less. So since it's just one day, this won't have an effect that will overall change the nature of our relationship between our two variables that we are investigating, but this will increase the correlation slightly. So we can say that is the relationship. So correlation will slightly increase.